TE's on the way. Bacon Grease Media. Back at you again. I got me some wheels. From Fitment Industries. I'm so excited. About time. They finally came in. I couldn't wait. But I'm just checking out the package and making sure everything is copacetic. Making sure there's no holes, no damages. Man, I'm excited. So they came pre-wrapped, pre-mounted and balanced. The packaging was done well. Good styrofoam, good cardboard. Kind of seemed like they did a heat shrink on it to make it secure. We got a little bit of grease right there, but nothing major. I think they got that on there from installing the wheels. I checked these with a fine tooth comb. It was no damages done to my wheels. I'm so excited. I do recommend shopping with Fitment Industries. I would do again in the future. Also, this is not a sponsored video. I spent my hard-earned money on these tires and wheels. So anyway, I'm just checking them out, inspecting them. Because once you put them on your car, they're yours to keep. There's no going back from that one. I'm trying to decide if I should do some white letters on the tires or not. Can't make up my mind, but I finally got me some Rays. Some TE37s. So excited. Also, it came with a little box. Checking the wheels again, make sure everything good. Time to open up the box. I also ordered a set of lug nuts to go with the car, to go with the wheels. I couldn't rock factories. And it came with some extra valve stems also. These are going on a, I think, 2nd or 3rd gen Integra. Yep, that's it. Hit that like button, subscribe. I'm trying to make more videos, more content. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Bacon Grease Media. And we out this thing, man.